Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Translate formula in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to automatically translate text from one language to another right within your spreadsheet, saving you tons of time if you're working with multilingual data. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Workspace dashboard with all your files and folders. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to use the Google Translate formula. This will open your Google Sheet in a new window. For this tutorial, let's say you have some sample data already set up. Perhaps you have a column with English text and you want to create translations in Spanish and French columns right next to it. Before we jump into writing the formula, there's an important step we need to take first. You'll need to visit developers.google.com to find the language codes that Google uses for translation. These codes are essential because the formula requires them to identify which languages you're translating from, and two, when you're on the Google Developers site, you'll see a comprehensive list of all supported languages along with their corresponding two-letter codes. Take a moment to note down the codes you need. Now, let's head back to your Google Sheet and start building the formula. Click on the cell directly under your Spanish column header. This is where your first translation will appear. Type equals Google Translate open parenthesis. Next, click on the cell that contains your English text. After selecting that cell, add a comma. Now you need to specify the source language by typing double quotation mark, then "Entane," which is the language code for English, and close it with another double quotation mark. Add another comma, then type double quotation mark followed by S, the language code for Spanish, and close it with another double quotation mark. Finally, close the entire formula with a closing parenthesis. Press Enter, and you'll immediately see the English text translated into Spanish in that cell. Now let's tackle the French translation. Click on the cell under your French column header, type equals Google Translate open parenthesis, then click again on the cell containing your English text. Add a comma, then type double quotation mark, close with another double quotation mark. Add another comma, type double quotation mark, then FR, which is the language code for French, close with another double quotation mark, and finish with a closing parenthesis. Hit Enter, and your French translation will appear instantly. The beauty of this formula is that you can now drag it down to apply the same translation to multiple rows of data, making it perfect for large data sets. You've just set up automatic translations in Google Sheets, which can be a game changer for international projects or multilingual content management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.